Sketch a graph of g of x equals the square root of x plus 3 plus 4 as a transformation of the graph of f of x equals the square root of x. Again, we're going to start off with f of x equals the square root of x, and we need to look at what transformations we need to do to the equation to turn it into our g of x equals the square root of x plus 3 plus 4. And there are two transformations that we need to undergo. First, what we can do is replace x with x plus 3 on the inside of the function. So replace x with x plus 3. And that gives us the square root of x plus 3. And then we can add 4 to that, giving us the square root of x plus 3 plus 4. And so we replace our function with the function plus 4. And that gives us our g of x equals the square root of x plus 3 plus 4. Now we need to look and see what each of these transformations does to the graph. If we replace x with x plus 3, we know that this moves the graph to the left 3. It shifts to the left 3. We've already seen that transformation done. And then replacing a function with the function plus 4 requires shifting up 4. The reason I'm saying function instead of f of x is because the transformation we're making here isn't adding 4 to f of x, it's adding 4 technically to this middle function that we haven't given a name to. But regardless, when we're adding 4 to a function, that shifts its graph vertically by 4, and so we need to shift each point to the left 3 units and then up 4 units. When we shift them to the left 3 units, that gives us, let's see, if we start at the origin and we shift to the left 3, that gives us a point here. If we take the next point on our graph and shift to the left 3, that puts us here. The next point goes here, and the last point goes there. So that's where our points go when we shift them to the left 3. Now we have to shift them all up 4. So I'm going to take each of these points and shift them up 4 units. So this first one is going to move right here. The next one, when we shift it up 4 units, is going to go right here. Then the next one, when we shift up 4 units, is going to go right here. And the fourth one, when we shift up 4 units, is going to go right here. And so we can now connect all of these points with a smooth curve. And this gives us the graph of g of x equals the square root of x plus 3 plus 4.